To pair an Xfinity remote with a cable box, start by ensuring your cable box and TV are turned on. Then aim the remote at the TV. Press the Xfinity button, and use the right arrow key to navigate to the settings icon. Located on the far right of the screen, select the settings icon by pressing the circle button. Scroll down to Remote Settings using the down arrow key, and press the circle key to select it. Continue scrolling down with the down arrow key and select Voice Remote Pairing. When prompted, allow the remote to control the TV's power and volume by selecting Yes. You will then be asked if your TV is made by Sharp. The remote should automatically select the correct answer. Press OK to pair the remote, and a confirmation message should appear on your screen indicating that the pairing was successful. Test the remote by adjusting the volume. If it works, select that it does, and if not, select that it doesn't and restart the process. Pairing an Xfinity remote to a cable box is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps.